We set up all of our robotic systems completely with all safety fencing, all guarding, all interfaces, all screens, all operating functionality in our technology center to go through that. So when we go to do an installation, it's more like we're moving a system from here to a plant rather than doing an initial install and having all those potential pitfalls during a traditional install at a customer site. We tackle those here and run across those here, which makes the installation on site much more risk adverse and much quicker.
Anytime a company decides to automate a process, there is a disruption, and that's a part of the business cost, and that has to be factored in. But the entire build process was 4 months long, and out of those 4 months, there was really only 1 week that we couldn't bottle on our line.